Okay, there, I'll tell you this one Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I dey for Ikpesu water side now. This place, they use until they travel, they go Escravos, they go. See, they use until they go for Cardos, Abi. They go for Cardos from here, Abi. You don't know, not be here in this state. You don't know, not be here in this state. All right, so the matter on Wazobia TV. Okay, there. Why I say, Bros Alpha, how you do?
I do.
Now Wazobia TV not fair. This one they show on live now. I see they like this, How long you don't do for this?
Because I never know anything about them. So I guess. I don't do this area.
You don't do this area. But you won't cross water soon.
Yes.
Where you they go?
Alaja.
Now you they go. So there are 6 people from here they go Alaja.
Yes.
Well, which other place? Which person you are not? Okay, make I ask somebody when I'm not seeing you. Give me more details. Confirm guy. Which tribe is it? The Shakiri, Yeah, where they take people they go? Alaja. Apart from Alaja, which other place?
We go Escravos.
They see they take people for here, they see the mission.
No. You cannot from here to Ondo State.
Maybe they go Ilaje side before now. Maybe Ondo now.
That's Agogba, Costain. All those side.
They see they take people they enter.
Yes.
The road still clear.
Yes.
The water still clear now, which I made. How much for you to Escravos?
2,000.
2,000. Then which what of Alaja from here to Alaja now?
From here to Alaja is 100 naira.
100 naira.
Yeah.
Why be okay? Alaja not too far from here.
No, of course, yeah. Now you see from
here. Maybe Alaja. Yeah. Like take that shot. Now take that shot as you go. So guys just stick. All right. Maybe now one person I shatter that one so I be.
The boat now they from here they go Alaja now.
From here they go. That one they go Alaja now.
Yes.
Apart from Alaja, Escravos, another place. Which place they carry?
That is the black roof over there. And the Escravos and Union Water side.
Escravos, Union Water side.
Yes.
Okay. Now only this boat, this place. They take.
No, you see they take boat from Makaiva and MPA.
Okay, Makaiva get water side too.
Yeah.
Okay. But okay, there's still the matter on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name remains MC Shaggy, your commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This guy don't go also in sharing this morning. That. All right, if you still watch me live, I see it for Ikpesu market side. If you watch where see people just they come back. That is why they come back from either from Alaja or they come from Alaja. Now they come from correct. So and they use this speedboat. They do so many things and so I did for Warri like this. So and so they happen now. All these people that they go, which side now they go? Alaja now they go. If like say most people for here now Alaja now they go. Alaja na under area when we say yes, water area. No worry, in area. Back it still on the matter on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, your commander on the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I tell you, I did for Ikpesu market. This guy come meet us, he asked me, say, what you would they do for here? And I don't explain, give her. He can't get to understand. And I come and go say, I say I be the chairman of this area. How far are you doing now?
I did file, but you never give me money now.
I go give you money, be beggar.
You not be beggar. You come with community. Waiting for why you put with so last it go be. You come with community like that, you give me something first.
Waiting Buhari put you.
You lost in the conditions, so head burner. Buhari bought people faster, you don't know.
Now wait I want me to talk as a corner. If they watch me like the bought people cable.
Yes, so instead of flood, Buhari can come.
I still said not get fish.
You guys are mad. You guys know the top person.
Yes, so instead of flood to come carry with better pass Buhari will come.
So wait, which one? Like how long you don't did for this place?
I don't do it 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, sir.
4 years.
Yes, sir.
You never till reach me, oh.
You never tell her.
You never till reach me.
How many years you don't do here?
4 years. When I know you, forget. When I know you, they never do all these things.
Nice, like you pour concrete for here now.
They never do all these things before.
You pour concrete for
all
here.
All this time on, they're not plenty. Now, now the day before.
Not be lie. They will give me money. They don't carry the video. They don't give me money. They don't give me money here today.
Money not this.
Now Ikpesu, now they all are PDP.
No. We don't support anybody because as you see this way, all of them, They do anyhow. All of they do anyhow because you put anyone there, then they rock. They don't everybody. No, like say that seat. Where they sit down, like say they bring the change. That kind of thing. So now because come inside because imagine area where we say oil producing area. Oil producing area is not supposed to be like this now. At the level be that, it's not supposed to be like this. Everywhere is supposed to go smoothly and all that. So this one just the after we try to talk where Akara they go.
They can't go.
What you be on it?
Now be me, I'm not getting it. Ugly face.
Well, no, this guy fine face. This guy fine face. All right, quick, they're still on Ikpesu water side. Now the paro be that, and they miss different phrases because you know say this life, when you go different area, different people. Different attitude, different characters. Now, what you don't see be that so. Hey, get what you happen for Alaja. Come.
What talk with happen for Alaja?
Come. Now, most of those things when we say yes, when maybe they enter, so that street here, now program we say yes, now voice of the people. People they hear, at least not be everybody go feel they get all information. Understand? But this one now, as they talk now, anything when they happen here now just pour an art. Federal government go here. Quick, that's all the matter on Wazobia TV. Oh shit, feel it. Oh, pa. Bros, your mouth not dirty now. Your mouth not dirty now. Bros, come now. He say, get what happen for Alaja. Nothing happen for Alaja. Why this guy come and set me up now? No, I didn't see the water like this. All right, I wait to. Now, old Pepe. All right, so the matter. I see the for Ikpesu water side. Bros, how far? They say what happen for Alaja?
Nothing happen.
No, not be English, not preaching.
Now they say to me, are you they talk? I say nothing happen.
Yeah. You sure say nothing happen?
You say 12, I say dozen.
All right. Quick, that's all the matter on Wazobia TV. That they have fun. How you doing?
Nah, God though.
Artist now.
God they help
How long
us.
you know the year?
Don't test me.
You will tell us if you can get
Ah, na so.
I say, I don't want to. Okay, the Kokada just stand.
We say what talk with that?
Na keke o dey drive na.
Wait first. Wait, madam. All right, this woman every day. No say they get shop right for everywhere. So now shop it is now they are shop right every this. And that kind of thing. I bet you know the woman market. I beg.
Waterside shop right.
Now waterside shop right be this in the air so. Get shop right. Madam, wait till
money.
money.
Yes.
Oh, not that MMM when they put money.
No, that one don't run. This one for waterside.
All right, madam, how far are you there?
Are they fine?
How life for you be?
Life is cool.
It's cool, Abi. They make your money small, yeah.
Small, but the Warri regime let everywhere strong. People not gonna eat the way they're supposed to eat.
Where they supposed to eat?
Yes. They're supposed to eat 3 times. Some kind of people they shop 700 naira once.
For your hand, yeah.
Yes, but now so to even eat 200 now, voila. Now just the grace of God.
Grace of God.
Yes.
What you feel they'll do for her now?
What did they do?
What you want me to do?
For Warri?
What you want me the country do for you? What you want me to do to Niger? Because if you watch when Niger Delta area be this, and the place they messed up well.
And now we get the oil when we say. Now we get the oil where we say they tell they beautify everywhere for the north, and we they suffer for here, which is supposed not to be like that. So make federal government do something, make our youth they benefit from it.
Make the youth they benefit.
Yes. Abi Shekiri. Yes.
I mean, I what they call it Sheker.
No, not be Sheker. Ishekiri. No. Orishekiri ne. Not be Sheker.
You not be Sheker.
No.
Wake it there. Papa greet you, sir. Not be Papa.
Actually, shall not be Papa. Now suffer. Too much of suffer. The videos because I want to talk now. I beg. To start with, my name is Ejiro, but my friend call me AKA Mickey Boy. Now because of suffer, and I made him be like this. The federal government should find solution for this man because we community will have nothing to give to this man.
Because of suffer, are you there enjoy?
Me self, now suffer I carry my face like this. Now suffer. Because I suppose shave for this thing. Suffer.
No. Sometimes to suffer, if you not make you shave, and if you never say you want from
No, suffer, not be gang. This is suffer. Pressure. The pressure is too much. Oh, yeah.
Baba, tell us about the creation.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate peaceful demonstration like this.
Yes.
To be frank, as I said, without being told, you can see there's problem everywhere, and cost of living is rising. And at the same time, no job, and cost of living is rising. So I will appeal to the government, federal government of Nigeria, to find solution to the problem.
What will be the main problem for this area, for this Niger Delta?
Niger Delta problem is the applicants, their lack of job.
The applicants are lack of jobs.
Yes.
People seeking for jobs.
Thank you.
Their lack of jobs.
Yes.
That's where you're right. We should like Chris, you tell me about creek now. Which creek they are?
Creek, for example, myself, I'm a captain, I'm a quartermaster. If you want to talk about creeks, I know creeks, you can see the sea bars in Delta State, they are African West Coast.
Yes.
For example, I start with Delta State with the boundary of the Delta and Ondo.
Ondo, yes.
Yes, you see Benin River there.
Oh, that over your side. And
Thank you. Then you go to Escavos River, you see the Mary River, the Stone Mouth. After there, you go to Age, that is Ramos River. Yeah. After there, you go ahead. If I begin to count now,
who they speak like that? Anybody starts speaking like that?
I don't know. Can't speak it like So that is the fact and the truth of it.
No, okay.
And even as I'm here now with my whole experience and I don't have job. I only manage myself doing carry work and the rest, you understand?
Okay, there's still on the matter on Wazobia TV. Oh, she feel it. In the years they talk, you know, say an intelligent man and learned man. You know, understand? So as my brother talked before, you know I'm neglected area in Niger Delta. Okay, there. Why I say, as they talk to me, say I be proper Niger Delta boy, pure one, obviously go come. Okay, there, my brother and sister, when they watch me live, this one is a street yarn on Wazobia TV. I did for Ikpesu waterside area. Oh shit, feel it. Oh,
I go change them.
You know, if you blow mouth,
You fit change them.
if you blow mouth.
Okay.
Who they sing here? Who they sing here?
Okay, come, I carry go there, Ikpesu day now.
Who they sing? Who they sing?
Let's go.
Who they sing here?
Come,
I'll
move.
go. I'll go.
Ma carry go.
I'll go.
garage.
No, I'll go. Who they sing here?
No, now there you go take some musician.
Okay, there. Why I say, oh shit, may they pay you? May they pay you for
For my yes,
Oh,
so
yeah, man, give you mad beats.
no, I don't want that.
Mad beats now. Mama talk with you.
Wetin dey pay me be say for the water, Ikpesu water side. As far back as last 3 years.
Yeah.
Wey I dey here, work e dey flow, work e dey. But since 2 years ago now, work e no dey. People are jobless. Even the river now gbege every here and there. Na make job no dey. Ijaw people and Lalaja people, they no rest. Gbege every day. They dey kill each other.
The gbege still dey go on.
So if you go Alaja now, Mopo dey, soldier dey there. Then this water side there, we need renovation.
Renovation.
For the water side.
Mama, they tell me something.
Then for the road, from junction to water side, we need renovation of the road. For the water and the road.
Proper drainage.
Make a great job opportunity for youth or stranded children.
Too many.
Too many here. You understand me?
Yes, now.
If they renovate the road, people go dey come inside to buy. If they renovate the water and they bring peace for the water, if there is peace in the water, work go dey. Make they bring work up.
Okay.
They renovate everywhere.
Okay, there's still on the matter on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name remain MC Shaggy. Okay, there. As they talk to you now, my name remain MC Shaggy. Now the level be this. You don't hear renovation, proper cleaning of the road. If you watch very well, the area didn't very neglected, and most people they don't forget about this area. If you watch well, they need to do proper dredging for this area. Quick there. Why I say, oh shit, son of the street channel on Wazobia TV. I be like I'll still take more episodes for this place, so but if I finish here, quick, like this guy. Bros, now you go let me close this show now.
Okay.
All right. How long you don't there?
Oh, but now here for bomb me like this.
I see am for your phone.
Like this. Oh, but small picking. Like this, the person market where we dey so
College I go. Let's college you go. Which year be that?
Hey, waiting now.
It's my first junior. All right, quick, that's all on the matter on Wazobia TV. Go so what you go do? Let me close this show now. Let me close and tell them say, quick, there answer the Niger Delta, the voice of the Niger Delta.
Like this, quick, answer me, Bob. Like this, Wazobia station,
The Niger Delta.
No, not maybe the Niger Delta.
I say answer the Niger Delta.
Okay, quick, there, Warri Delta station. I never close that for
you. Sure say no dodge go collect small thing for corner. No, I want start. Hey, I know this guy. I know this guy. I'm fine. How you doing now?
I did fine.
I said now you be the chairman of this area.
No, see we chairman, yo.
Now chairman appoint me say you be chairman. So.
No. I will chairman with this.
Are you sure?
Yes,
chairman.
Yes,
How long you done it for this area?
It has been almost 2 decades now.
What do you want me to do to do that? What do they lack for this area?
Well, they lack many things now. We need improvement on this ground. We want this ground develop. Where many things they happen for every year.
Everywhere.
Yes, so many things they flow. Things they happen, more they enjoy for. Yeah, at least here now water south supposed to the shop. Okay, you don't understand.
What will be the power of that energy? Engine? Now 40 minutes. 40 horsepower. 40 horsepower. They carry anything.
I let fit to better.
200 no fit to.
No, it get power but only about 200.
Wait, it get power pass
200 but only. Yes.
Okay. What line when you dey drive car? If you want climb hill, you go use your one.
Yes. Yo.
Jawon get power pass any other jar.
Yes.
Unless when you don't the flow they go. Now you call enter jar 3, jar 4.
Yes, that one. That
kind of thing.
200 and jar 4.
This guy bring the leak. Correct guy. Right about now, if you watch me live, my name is Warri MC Shaggy at the Ikpesu waterside area. And I like this, I tell you wrap up this episode now. I tell you this episode now. I tell you already the things they happen for Warri. Forget after they say Warri not the carry last. Warri not the carry last. But now advert you don't give these people. Now these people is somebody ask for money, not be where we call you ask for money. All right, so the matter. Make it there. Oh shit. Who's carrying ash?
Nah, actually, the government is bad.
The government is bad. This guy
is not good. Our government is bad though. Job opportunity we not get them for our hand though. They give us some, make we use them to get to our children in there for us the stress. So even in December we not get the money. Inside the December we want some cash for people. Our family delay for us. Children not get clothes. Even the shoe my speaking not get to wear. Oh, because you never know. Back in the station, man.
Back in one.
Alongside my brother in the building.
What are your name, man?
AKA Apacino for real.
AKA Apacino, number one Apacino. They call you what? Jesus Christ. This is costing.